Oh, boys! I'm back!
What's up, GHT fam? We are here in the Klipsch room at Audio Advice Live 2026 with Marcus from Klipsch. They are premiering their Reference Premiere IIIs. The new copper is back from Klipsch. So I'm gonna have Marcus tell us all about the Reference Premiere III speakers and what we can expect from Klipsch coming up in this show.
Rock and roll, yeah. So this is a global debut. So first time I ever heard these here at Audio Advice Live. So these are fresh. These are one of one right now. They'll be shipping in just a couple months. The Reference Premiere line is our bread and butter at Klipsch. This is probably the most popular lineup that we have because it's that middle price point in our lineup. And it's one of the most versatile lineups that we have as well. So they can fit into a lot of different applications. What makes the Reference Premiere lineup so popular is we have new cabinets with a knife edge design. They come in black or walnut. We'll show you the walnut in a second. So you get a lot of extra bracing. You get the aluminum cerametallic woofer. So it's an aluminum woofer that's anodized to be that signature copper color. In the lineup, you'll notice the horn looks different. Well, this is a brand new horn. We retain our Tractrix geometry, but we have a brand new material. It's a BMC injection molded material, so very dense and inert. Okay. And we took the material and have this perfect transition. It's smooth into the edge of the cabinet, which reduces diffraction. What that means for you guys, in the living room, there are now no cheap seats. Everyone sitting on the couch is gonna get the same type of experience because of that new shape of the horn.
And Marcus doesn't know, my channel focuses on home theater in your living room space. Now, you'll definitely see the difference in this tweeter when you walk in right here. But again, beauty in the living room is all we're about here. You know, wife acceptance factor and all those things kind of factor in for us. So those living room warriors, this is something that might fit in pretty good. So let us know what else you have.
First off, our signature copper color. At the office, we say true happiness is found in black and copper. But if you don't want to see the copper woofers, we do have a floating grill with our new Klipsch script logo. Okay. We use that script logo like you see on the banner. That is Paul Klipsch's actual signature. So we're really proud of that. With this lineup, we've got a lot of different options. So we have a tower that has a Dolby Atmos bookshelf built into it. So it's not just a single driver. It's a 6.5-inch driver, just like our topper here, with a titanium tweeter, which is what we use throughout the lineup. The topper for Atmos is one of my favorite speakers because it's so versatile. You can have it as an Atmos reflective driver. You could mount it to the wall and have it as a height speaker or a surround speaker as well. And we also have our 8-inch woofer tower, which is the most popular in any of our lineups. We have a 6.5-inch tower. For bookshelves, we have a 6.5-inch and a 5.25-inch, so a smaller bookshelf. I know in the living room, real estate is a premium. True. When it comes to our centers, we have our very large center, which has 5 drivers. We use our 5.25-inch mid-bass drivers, and then that signature horn, which on a center channel is probably one of the best things we make because the vocal intelligibility you get out of a horn-loaded center is incredible.
Very, very important. Very, very important. And most of you know, if you don't know by now, the center is the anchor. You must get a good center with good intelligibility to be able to enjoy your movies. Best anyway.
Yeah, and it's one of the most important speakers in any theater. And if you don't have the real estate for the big one, we do make a smaller one that is a sealed speaker, so you can put it flush up against the wall and it, with the grill on, just kind of disappear into the living room. And then the last one, we make our surround. So this is a dipole. So it's gonna, for a larger room, maybe a deeper room, it's gonna send that same signal in 2 different directions. So you're gonna have a little more spaciousness.
We got some other things from Klipsch. Tell us what we have right here.
So this is our other finish. This is the very popular walnut. You can see the transition now with the black horn on top, the copper cones, and then because this is set up on our theater system in the room, we do have the new outboard rigger feet. Okay. So that was a big upgrade as well. It's a little more premium aesthetic, but they have a lot of benefits. So we have spikes or rubber feet in the box, and now with these new feet, you have leveling ability, so you can always make sure that you've got it perfect for your listening position. All right, so also at Audio Advice, we have a global debut again. These are our new compact subwoofers from the Reference Premiere line. Now you might be asking, Marcus, that is a 12-inch, a 14-inch, and a 16-inch sub. Compact is not the word I would use. For us, they are. So it's a very popular subwoofer lineup previously. What we did is we reduced the cabinet size by an on average of 50%. So this one is about 48%, this one's 50, that one's 52. So we reduced the cabinet size. Previously with this lineup, if you look right over here, we had a very long cabinet. And we did that on purpose. It is a ported sub. We port it in the front, and we want that port to have as long of a run as possible so the air leaving the cabinet makes zero noise. Now, with a ported sub, you tend to get more output. So we challenged our engineers, can we get the same level of depth with a 50% smaller cabinet? So they're now a sealed cabinet. Every single subwoofer plays down to the same level, all sub 20 hertz, and the 16-inch plays down to, I believe, 14.5 hertz. You have plenty of power with these, so the output really wasn't the problem. Our subs, that's right, they go up to 11. We have the best subwoofer knobs in the game, and we'll show you a shot of that. So 3 dB less, but they all play as low as the previous lineup with 50% less real estate. So now you get that output for any system, and it's very easy. If you need more bass, you need a couple more ugga-duggas on the bottom end, just go to the knob and turn it up a little bit. All right, so we talked about the best knobs in the game, and I meant it. So the knobs are white with black lettering, which means when you're reaching around the sub, you can see it with a flashlight because white with black lettering does not reflect. So they're very easy. They in fact do go up to 11, and we put a little magnifying glass so that everyone can read it. Makes it very easy to use.
Really goes up to 11. That's a first.
And we've done this for a while on these, and this is something that our customers love. Again, it makes it easy to control the sub and make your adjustments and easy to read.
This is Genius Home Theater. This is Marcus from Klipsch, and I'll see you on the next one.
I'm back!